This is a Toyota Venza 2013 model. Are you seeing it? This is a Toyota Venza 2013 model. You can see the air lamp, you can see the fog lamp, you can see the front grille. This one is red color. You can see it. Let me show you the exterior color. See the side mirror. You can see it. This one is limited all-wheel drive 2013 model. See the interior of the Venza. Black interior. You can see the interior. This one is the interior of the Venza. Black interior. Sharp. This one sharp. This one sharp. With thumb start. You can see it. Thumb start. See the navigation. See the pattern dashboard. See the steering wheel. See the door mat. You can see it with the seat controls. Everything intact. I will show you the engine. Na V6 engine. You can see the back. You can see the interior. The interior sharp. This one is 2013 model. You can see it. You can see it with panoramic roof. See the engine. The engine is V6 engine. You can see the engine sharp. Just DM me on WhatsApp or chat me on my platform. I will give you the price. Thank you for joining me today.